Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Golf R-line, 1.5 TSI, 150 horsepower in stunning white. This estate vehicle is not only stylish, but packed with comfort, safety, and technology features to enhance your driving experience. From air conditioning to wireless charging, this car has it all. With features such as collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning, and traffic sign recognition, you can drive with peace of mind knowing you're protected on the road. The interior boasts luxury trim, cup holders, and a load cover for added convenience. But that's not all. The Golf R-line also comes with privacy glass, a spoiler, stop and start system, and more for added style and functionality. Plus, this vehicle has a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit our website, spiritskoda.ie, for more information on how you can make this 2024 Volkswagen Golf R-line yours today. Drive in style, comfort, and safety. You deserve it.